It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. This is about the garden produce, but I'm not out in the garden today because it's a bit windy and blustery, and so I'm doing it from in my living room. As you can possibly see by the side of me, this pile is all of next year's seeds. I have got some tomatoes left drying in the basket here, and these are some ballotta beans that are drying. Half I will eat dry as dry beans, and the other half will be for seed. I have two mushroom tray baskets full of pears to do something with. Here is my winter squash. Winter squash actually is better stored in the house rather than anywhere that gets damp and that. Shed, in my case it's my garage. But just to show you, we have already eaten one of these. This is a Turk's turban, and yeah, I've got quite a bit there. As you can see as well, my first ever butternut squash I've grown. First time ever. I've got some vegetable squash, the spaghetti squash here. So this is winter food as well as the potatoes. So we're going quite well. But I thought I'd let you know. I did start keeping weights of everything that I harvested, but it got to the point that I'd just be going out for a few things and for that evening meal, so I wouldn't mark it down. So at times I guessed, at others I just completely forgot about it. But I have had, not including apples and pears from the trees, I've had a total of about £268, well, call it £270 of food out of my garden. And to me that is just mind-blowing that I could grow that amount. The thing is, this is just based on the majority of grown at the back and a bit at the front, but now I've got all the front online and I can plant it up next year. I'm going to be hopefully growing more than that, and so if you add in apples and pears on this year's amount, I'm way over £300 of produce that comes from my little urban homestead. So next year I might even hit £400. That would be exceptional. But we'll see. I mean, just to give you an idea, when I was marking them down there, the meteor peas that I grew, not the Hirsch green shaft that I grew just to save seeds. And where are they? Yeah. And in here are those seeds. So they'll be going up for next year. But the other peas, I got a total of £3. Yeah, £3 for the garden peas. Oh, and the greenhouse, the peas that were in the greenhouse, that was £6. So there's a total of £9 just in peas. Onions, I got £41 of onions. I've put them different ones, there's potatoes and sharp potatoes. And when I got to cucumbers, I started not always marking down or weighing them, let alone marking them down, but just to say it's been brilliant. And I'm already planning what's going where next year. And DT Brown seeds, which I have used a lot of before, they are in the process of having a £1 seed sale, which they have several times through the year, and last year I bought several of their seeds and they seem to do better than the other seeds I bought with germination rate. So I've decided to get all my seeds from DT Brown, and so far I've been able to do it on the £1 seed sale, so it makes it even cheaper for me. But I thought I'd just let you know that. Cuckoo! I thought I'd just let you know how much you can produce yourself. As you can see, I've got more or less all my winter squash here that will be carrying us over winter. I've got potatoes stored in the garage. I've got onions stored in my pantry. I've also got them frozen and I have them dehydrated. I have got, what else? Leeks in the ground, swede in the ground. I will be planting, well, sowing next week. I'm planting out some broad beans to overwinter. So it's still an ongoing thing. My greenhouses are planted up and I put compost down in the front and partly in the back. And just thought I'd let you know. Bye!
It's a